looking at this trade that I made, essentially clicking here. So I saw that there's a support, a strong support here. And I bought into it and rode it up a little bit and sold right here. So this is a clear demonstration of support. Even though it was in a downtrend, it behaved slightly impacted by that level, which means that there is some price liquidity in here, and that brought it up. The momentum essentially is further to the downside, and therefore is attempting to reach towards that support area. So this right here, the line that I drew, this is the area of where the liquidity is that causes a alteration of the path of this momentum that was created, timestamp of this area at this time period. So the interesting thing is what I've discovered, that if I look at the 5-minute chart here, the world is going down. And then when I see this little impact of moving up and I buy into it, thinking, oh, look, it's recovered. Right here, if I look at this situation here, I mean, here, if I look here, the world is going down, and I'm thinking, oh, hey, look, it's going up. Look at this candle. Let's get in. Boom. Yeah, further downside. And I don't sell. I add on to it. That's what happens here. Essentially, what the world is saying, okay, look, this is essentially the trend line, okay? That's the trend line. That's support and resistance all at the same time. That's what a trend line is, essentially. The trend line is essentially support and resistance fusioned together to form a new element called trend. That's right. And so if I look at here, I'm looking at it, now it's going right back to where the support is. So if I look closer here, so that's the point here, right there. I took that before it moved on to further down here. That is an indication that there is a very strong tendency to move down. It's not happening overnight. It's happening 1 night, 2 night, 3 night, 4, 5, 9. Now it's also interacting with the support. So these are things that I was not aware of. Now I am. I'm also looking at, look at here, and this level is lower than here, higher. That's bearish. That is there, right there too. See, that has formed here, which is lower than here, which is also bearish, but it's also is in an area where there is strong support right here, and that's price is being, that price is essentially being impacted by this region. It wants to go, but it also wants to go up as well because of the support. That's why it's called a support. Definition of support, it supports the price. That's how it works.